Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you all know me, this is Aishwarya A with the USN 1V20C001, currently pursuing 7th semester in the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering at Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. My today's subject is real-time systems and my presentation on real-time system development methodologies. So, let us look at the introduction to real-time systems. Real-time systems are the computer systems that must respond to the external events with a specific time frame. Means any work has to be done in a particular time. These systems are used in a wide range of applications, including aviation, medical devices, and industrial control systems. Developing these real-time systems can be challenging due to the need for the precise timing and responsiveness. That's why it's important to use appropriate development methodologies to ensure that the system meets its requirements. In this section, we will introduce two real-time systems development methodologies. One is the waterfall model and the agile model. We will explain the strengths and the weakness of each approach and provide guidance on when to use them. So, methodology 1. Agile development. Overview. This real-time system development methodology that emphasizes flexibility and collaboration between cross-functional teams. It involves iterative and incremental development where requirements and the solutions evolve through the collaborative effort of self-organizing cross-functional teams. And the key features of this methodology is iterative and incremental development, flexible and adaptive approach to change, cross-functional and self-organizing teams. The key characteristic of agile development, that is, iterative and incremental approach to the development, flexibility and adaptability to changing requirements throughout the development process, collaboration and communication between cross-functional teams and stakeholders. Emphasis on working software over comprehension documentation. And the benefits and the challenges of this development is agile development is popular methodology for real-time system development due to its flexibility and adaptability. However, there are also challenges associated with this approach. Firstly, let us discuss on the benefits of this methodology. That is flexibility to change the requirements as needed, frequent feedback and communication with stakeholders, ability to deliver working software quickly, encourages collaboration and teamwork, reduces the risk of the project failure. And now we'll see on the challenges faced by this methodology. Requires high level of collaboration and communication, may not be suitable for the large complex projects, may require a shift in organizational culture and the mindset. It can be difficult to estimate the timeliness and the requires skilled and experienced team members. Now, let us move on to the methodology 2. The waterfall model method is the method used in the development of the real-time systems. Waterfall model is a traditional approach to software development that is commonly used in the real-time system development. It is linear and the sequential process that follows top-down approach, with each phase of the development cycle being completed before moving on to the next one. Now, the phases of the waterfall model. Requirements gathering and analysis, system design, implementation and coding, testing and validation, deployment and maintenance. Each phase of the waterfall model is completed before moving on to the next one, with no overlap between the phases. This means that each phase must be completed and signed off on before the next phase can begin. While this approach can be rigid and inflexible, It is often used in the real-time system development because it provides a clear structure and helps to ensure that each phase is completed thoroughly before moving on to the next one. So, the key characteristics of this waterfall model are the sequential and the linear process. The waterfall model is a sequential and the linear process that follows a strict order of phases, with each phase being completed before the next one begins. Documentation is heavy. So, the waterfall model places a heavy emphasis on documentation, with each phase requiring a detailed documentation before moving on to the next phase. Now, we'll discuss about the benefits and the challenges of the waterfall model. Firstly, we'll see the benefits. The first one is waterfall model is a linear and a sequential approach that is easy to understand and use. It allows for a clear definition of the requirements and the deliverables, reducing ambiguity and increasing the clarity. It provides a well-structured approach development with each stage building on the previous one. It is suitable for the projects with stable and well-defined requirements where changes are likely to occur. And challenges. It can be difficult to make the changes once on a stage is completed, making it less flexible than other models. It can be challenging to estimate the time and the resources required for each stage, leading to the delays and the cost overruns here. It may not be suitable for the projects with the changing or the dynamic requirements as it doesn't allow for the flexibility and the adaptation. It can lead to the lack of collaboration and the communication between the teams as each stage is completed before moving on to the next one. Thank you all for watching my video. Please hit the like button, give your comments. Please do share my video. See you all in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.